Before we even dive in, let's get the legalities out of the way. Everything I'm saying is based on what's allegedly happening on these digital streets. I wasn't there, you weren't there, and I'm just observing the chaos like the rest of you. So there's this trend on TikTok. You know the one, ending the video with the person who assaulted me. It's a heavy prompt, but it's been picking up steam. Then a girl named Dineo posts her version, and the person at the end? Allegedly, it's a picture of Thakgi. Yes, that Thakgi, the host of Piano Pulse, who usually looks like he wouldn't even raise his voice at a fly. The video blows up. Naturally, because the internet loves a fall from grace. But then a user named Blossom drops a comment saying, and I'm paraphrasing, "He did it to me too." Now, if you watch the show, this felt off. We know Thakgi as the professional, well-mannered guy who's been open about his struggles with anxiety. His colleagues practically vouch for his character daily. But the comment section doesn't care about well-mannered. Once Blossom commented, it allegedly started looking like a pattern. People were ready to cancel him before the video even finished looping. But then, the plot didn't just thicken, it curdled. Thakgi allegedly came forward with proof. We're talking Instagram DMs that suggest he doesn't even know this person. From what's being reported, it looks like she might have been seeing a friend of his and they were just in the same room once. If that's true, we went from a serious accusation to "I saw you at a party once" real quick. It's a messy look, especially when you're allegedly using a platform meant for GBV survivors to settle whatever this was. The fallout? It's not just deleted comments. Word on the street is Thakgi allegedly lost a contract over this drama, and because of that, it's alleged he's preparing to sue both women for defamation. Look, I'm just an observer here, but there's a lesson. The post button is free, but the lawsuit that follows definitely isn't. Using a crisis like GBV for a TikTok trend is, at best, disrespectful, and at worst, a quick way to lose everything. Anyway, that's what my timeline is telling me today. Be careful who you believe, and maybe be even more careful what you post. See you tomorrow.